Very good afternoon, my friends from the media. It's great to be here in Hyderabad at a very exciting time. We are just looking at a season of hope which is going to come in shortly. There's a lot of things happening here. So great to be here in Hyderabad. My name is R.K. Ramesh. I'm the General Manager at Toyota Kirloskar Motor, and I'm going to take you all through what we at Toyota Kirloskar Motor have been doing for the last 15 years in India. As you know, TKM entered the Indian market with a very highly successful Qualys. Qualys, as we stand, was quality, and we made an extremely strong entry into the MPV segment, and the Qualys became a very loved car all across India. You could see that Qualys was going from all across, and Toyota did not stop there in India. We thereafter launched the Toyota Camry in 2002, and then a Toyota Corolla, which is the #1 sedan in the world, in 2003. And after that, the most beloved Toyota Innova in 2005 and the Fortuner in 2009. Thereafter, TKM made the entry into the mass segment for the first time in 2010 with the Etios series. I must say that for the last 3 years, the Etios has been very well accepted by all across Indian customers, both the Etios sedan version and the Etios Leva, which is the hatchback version. And we have sold till now 2 lakh cars. So it has been a great success till now. And in keeping in tune with Toyota's philosophy of making even better cars, and our belief is not only better cars, but also lifelong customer ownerships, customers for life with a customer first approach. That's been Toyota's philosophy, and our friends here in Andhra Pradesh, both Srinivas San and Harsha San from RKT, Radhakrishna Toyota and Harsha Toyota have been doing a great job in serving the customers of AP extremely well. So it's great to be part of this team here in Toyota and AP, especially where Toyota has been very well accepted. In fact, the market share of Toyota in Andhra Pradesh is higher than our all India market share. So I think that's a testimony to the fact of a great dealer partners that we have in the state. After the launch of Toyota Etios in 2010, we are now ready with the third variant of the Etios series platform, namely the Etios Cross. And Etios Cross is a very special vehicle. It is a vehicle that will bring a smile to people's faces. It will set the adrenaline rising. It's meant for those people who want to have a belief in the self. And as they say, it is those people who are born with an attitude. And that's how we are trying to position this car. And as we know, I think, and this Etios Cross will be available, it's already been in Andhra Pradesh starting today, across 18 of our outlets all across the state, which is there doing sales and service. In a sustainable growth strategy, and Toyota does not only believe that we just need to increase our market share, but we also believe in all-round growth, not only for the automobile market as such and the economy as such, but also for the social aspect. We believe that we have to give back to society what we are doing as a business. So not only is TKM concentrating on bringing the right products at the right time, but also giving back to society in terms of corporate social responsibility and other initiatives. And our aim is to create happy customers for life, and overall happy citizens for India. So recently, I'm very, very happy to say that we have crossed a significant landmark of 1 million cars in India. So we have sold 10 lakh Toyota cars. I'm sure we have 10 lakh happy families, and we'll continue to delight our focus and focus on new markets. Thank you very much. Thank you for being here.